Okay, we are trying to find this red area, and we are trying to find, you can see we're between 2.117 and negative 1.17. But now if you look up a value on the Excel table, what happens? It will give you this entire area. So if I looked up 1.17, I would get the area from here all the way to here, including this white area I don't need. But the trick to realize here is that if I look up negative 1.17, I will get just this white area. So if I look up the big blue arrow and then the little blue arrow and subtract them, I then have the red area I want. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to open up Excel. We're first going to look up 1.17. So more function statistical. I'm going to look down for normal, and I want S because I want the Z. And I put in my Z-score. So my Z-score here is 1.17. Put in true here. And there's my first answer. And then I'm going to do the same thing again for the second one. So I'm going to go down, normal S distribution again, now negative 1.17, true. Okay, so these are my two values. So to find the area, I am simply going to subtract the B2 from B3. And this here, 0.7580 rounded, is our answer.